Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to share with you how to make DIY carrot cream by using fresh aloe vera gel. Carrot cream will help to treat acne and glow your skin. It's high in vitamin A, C and E. It also helps to reduce wrinkles and uneven skin tones. So let's see how to make this carrot cream. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's see. You need 2 medium-sized carrots. Then wash it well and peel them. After that, grate it. Now you have to dry it. You can dry it using sunlight. After 1 day, you can see it completely dry. Now you have to need clean glass. Then put your dry carrot and add some coconut oil in it. After that, cover your jar and place it somewhere for 24 hours. You can see after 24 hours your carrot oil is ready. Now we are going to make carrot cream. Now take a cloth and filter water like this. After that, add aloe gel into another bowl. Take another cloth and filter carrot oil well. Now mix it well. After mixing it again, filter like this. Friends, I didn't add anything without these two ingredients. We use fresh aloe vera, so our cream be like this. You can use this cream on your face and all over your body. We use fresh aloe vera to make this cream. Because of that, it grows to gel. I use this cream as a night cream. You can use this 3 to 4 weeks. Store it in the refrigerator. Friends, hope you like this video. Hope you learned something new in this video. So friends, see you soon with another interesting video. Till then, bye.